Okay, this is like crazy psycho rain. It was clear like an hour ago. It's coming down. I don't know if you can see it in the video. I hope you can. It is coming down so hard that it's like bouncing back up, and the raindrops are like the size of gummy bears or something. I don't know. But even my dog doesn't want to go out there. My dog always wants to go out. Totally insane. Look how much water it is flooded. Here comes some thunder. And the thunder is really weird. It like rolls. It like doesn't crack too hard. It just kind of rolls. I can't believe it's completely flooded my yard already. Huh. Here comes more thunder, I think. I can't believe this. I've got to find Samantha. She's out there on an electric bike. I should probably stop doing this and call her. See ya, bye.